Welcome to my video on QuickSwap crypto swap platform usage experience. QuickSwap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, built on the Polygon network, designed for seamless and fast crypto swapping with low fees. It stands out by offering a user-friendly interface and lightning-fast transactions, making it perfect for both novice and experienced traders looking for efficient, low-cost swaps. One of the key features of QuickSwap is its integration with the Polygon blockchain, which ensures fast transactions with minimal gas fees compared to Ethereum-based platforms. This makes it ideal for anyone who's tired of high fees on Ethereum, but still wants access to a wide variety of tokens. You can swap tokens directly from your wallet with no need to create accounts or deal with third-party intermediaries. This decentralized approach ensures your privacy and security while trading. QuickSwap supports a large selection of tokens with liquidity pools powered by automated market makers, AMMs. This means you can easily find pairs for a wide variety of assets, including popular tokens and altcoins. The platform's intuitive design makes it easy to track prices, monitor your swaps in real time, and access the liquidity you need. Users also benefit from a streamlined interface, making trading as simple as selecting the token pair and hitting swap. For those looking to take their trading experience a step further, QuickSwap offers staking options. You can stake your liquidity provider, LP tokens, and earn rewards in the form of QuickSwap's native token, Quick. This adds an additional layer of passive income to your portfolio. Additionally, the platform supports QuickSwap's governance features, allowing users to vote on proposals related to platform development, further enhancing its decentralized nature. QuickSwap's high efficiency, low fees, and scalability make it an ideal choice for anyone involved in crypto trading. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, the platform offers all the tools you need for a smooth and profitable experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a decentralized platform with fast transactions, low fees, and plenty of liquidity, QuickSwap is definitely worth checking out.